In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a capture card without an HDMI splitter. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You absolutely can use a capture card without an HDMI splitter, and in fact, for most modern setups, you don't need one at all. So the capture card is going to convert the video signal from an external source like a game console or a camera into a digital format that your computer can understand. So essentially, it is a bridge between the main device, in this example here, the Xbox console, and the PC. So like I said before, for most modern cards, you don't need any sort of HDMI splitter. You will have the HDMI out and the HDMI in port. And in order to set this up, you plug an HDMI cable into the HDMI in port on the capture card, and the other end goes into the place where you want to capture the content. So let's say, for example, you want to capture what's happening on your console. You plug one end of the HDMI cable into the console and the other one into the HDMI in port because the source is going into the capture card. Then the HDMI out port on the capture card will be used to plug it into a PC or laptop where you have software that can be used to recover the source content of that console or any other device, such as a camera. And by doing the connection like this, all that you need are two HDMI cables, one being used to get the source from the console, the camera, any other device, and another one to plug the capture card into a PC or laptop that has the software that is being used. And finally, just make sure that the capture device or the capture card itself is also connected over a USB cable to your PC. So besides the HDMI cable, plug the USB-C cable. You might also see USB-A or micro USB if your capture card is older. And in this example, I'm showcasing an Elgato capture card, but any other model or any other brand is also going to be used through the same general steps. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.